kind welcome. I remember I was here in 2015, and I was very much impressed by the number of students, their enthusiasm, their willing to learn about physics, their eagerness to ask questions about fundamental things. It was 8 years ago, and my field of research has evolved a lot during that time interval, and so I will be talking about new things, new experiments which were not possible in 2015. I have decided to talk about quantum information with Rydberg atoms. Rydberg atoms are the systems which I have used during my career to make the experiments in cavity quantum electrodynamics, which were, I think it's okay like that. Can you hear me? Okay. Rydberg atoms are very special atoms which have exaggerated properties. These are atoms in which one electron has been excited to a very large orbit, and so it is very weakly bound, and it means that this atom is sensitive to very small perturbations. And when I started working on these atoms, I was interested in their very strong interaction with microwaves. And this gave rise to the experiments which were called cavity quantum electrodynamics, studying the interaction of these huge atoms with microwave photons in cavities. Since then, a new field has been developed in which one takes advantage of the very strong interaction of Rydberg atoms between themselves, strong Rydberg-Rydberg interaction, which has also led to very interesting experiments in the field of quantum information, quantum science. And it has now become a very active field of research in quantum information science. So I will talk about these two areas, briefly about interaction of Rydberg atoms with microwave cavities, and more extensively about the experiments which are being done now, trying to take advantage of the interaction between Rydberg atoms. First of all, just to set up the context of this talk, I will remind you that we are now in the process of witnessing what is called the seventh quantum revolution, which is taking advantage of the fact that we can manipulate single quantum systems in order to achieve tasks which were impossible